Here is how you can easily buy NIMI books step by step. First, open Google, type NIMI and click the first official website that appears. On the home page, click Buy NIMI Books and Buy Online. Use the search bar to quickly find the book you need. Click on the CITS revised on your left side, then select your preferred languages. Next, click Add to Cart. You can keep browsing or go straight to checkout. Log in using your email ID. If you are new here, register in second. It's quick and easy. Now, fill in your delivery details carefully, review your cart and make sure everything is correct. Click Confirm and click Confirm and Pay. Choose your payment method, UPI, debit card, credit card or net banking and pay securely.